function, xy, that's your u. The argument of your ln function for this one is yung xy din. So that's ln of u. Okay, so that's d over dx of ln of u. That's 1 over u du over dx. Okay? So, exponential function, ulitin natin tong line na to. That's e raised to xy, or copy your exponential function, then derive its exponent xy with respect to x. Plus derivative ng ln function, that's 1 over u or 1 over xy. Then you derive the argument of your ln function xy with respect to x, derivative ng 3 constant that's equivalent to 0. Okay, let's continue our solution. Okay. For the derivative of xy class, no, that's actually a product of two functions. Okay, or two variables, two independent functions class, no. So a function of x and a function of y. Therefore, use product rule. Last Saturday class na, I think xy din yun. Cosine xy yata yung binigay. Marami pa rin nagkakamali sa derivative ng xy. Ang dinederive yung x, tapos hinahayaan na lang yung y. Ngayon class, kapag product yan ng dalawang magkaibang variable, you use product rule. Okay? So, you copy e raised to xy, then class, no? So let's derive first function copy first function x, then derive second function y with respect to x. Plus, kasi product rule yan. To copy your second function y, this time you derive first function x with respect to x. Plus 1 over xy. Ngayon, ide-derive din natin itong xy sa part na to. Okay, so pareho lang to dito class, no? Copyin nyo na lang. Okay, or copy your x, derive y, plus copy y, derive x. That's equivalent to 0. And then let's simplify. Yan. Okay, so that's e raised to xy, x. Okay, of course, dy over dx, that's y prime, plus y, derivative ng x with respect to x, of course, that's 1, plus 1 over xy. Okay, then you copy x, derivative ng y with respect to x, that's y prime, plus y, derivative ng x, that's 1, equal to 0. Okay, and then let's simplify. Okay, so that's e raised to xy prime plus y, plus xy prime plus y over xy. So yung nangyari dito class na ito yung sa numerator natin, then ito yung nilagay sa denominator. Okay? So pwede nyo nang kunin dyan yung terms na may y prime class, tapos ilipat sa kabila or sa right side yung terms na walang y prime, para makuha nyo lang yung exact value ng dy over dx or y prime. But before we do that class, no, simplify muna natin tong ating function. Okay? So e raised to xy, para matanggal lang natin tong denominator dito class. E raised to xy, okay, xy prime plus y plus xy prime plus y over xy. Okay? So equivalent niyan class, no? Tulad ng isang example natin nung last week. Ang denominator niyan ay 1. Okay? So that's e raised to xy prime plus y over 1. Then, para ma-combine natin tong dalawang terms na to, you cross-multiply. Okay? Tapos, i-multiply yung denominator. So sa case na to class, no? Yung xy, i-multiply natin siya dito sa e raised to xy times xy prime plus y. Again, class, no, this is just one of the many processes to simplify our equation. Bahala kayo kung paano nyo gusto tong i-simplify. Pwede rin naman na ituloy nyo na sa ganitong form. Xy prime plus y. Okay? Plus, ito naman cross-multiply natin yung 1 at yung xy prime plus y. So that's xy prime plus y. Kasi nga, 1 lang naman yung minultiply. And then yung denominator for all the terms class ay yung 1 times xy, or that's simply xy. Then i-equate nyo to sa 0. So ginawa ko yan class kasi kung papansin niyo dito, kung i-cross multiply ko, mawawala na yung denominator. So xy times 0, that's equal to 0. May iwan lang sa atin ay itong numerator. Xy e raised to xy, xy prime plus y plus xy prime plus y. Sundan ba? Lahat ng class, sundan? Okay. Assuming class na nasundan ulit. I-continue natin yung solution. O yan. Yan yung makukuha natin class, no? Pag-combine natin yung dalawang terms. Then we may just cross multiply yung xy dun sa 0 para yung numerator lang yung line of solution natin. Okay? And then let's distribute this one to the quantified expression. Okay? To obtain that one. So we have xy e raised to xy times xy prime, x times x, that's x squared, then copy y. Okay? Then copy e raised to xy, then we have y prime. So wag niyong i-combine tong y at yung y prime plus, no? Hindi pwede kasi naka-derive yung isang y. Plus, okay, so copy x dito class, tapos y times y, that's y squared, then yung copy e raised to xy. Then, isunod niya na yung ibang terms kasi wala naman na tayong multiply dyan. Okay? Then, e1 sa left side, lahat ng terms na may y prime or dy over dx, itong dalawang walang kasamang y prime, i-transpose para makuha yan class. Okay? Then after that, we need to segregate dy over dx or y prime kasi yun yung pinapahanap sa atin eh. Dito sa dalawang terms na to class, no, pwede nating i-factor out yung y prime. Okay? Kung ganun yung gagawin natin, we'll obtain that line. So that's x squared y e raised to xy, then ilalabas yung y prime. Kaya ayun, for the second term, that's xy prime, pero ilalabas nga natin yung y prime, x lang yung may iwan. And then hayaan nyo na muna yung right side. Okay? Then, y prime na lang to class, no? Kailangan dy over dx lang yung maiwan sa isang side. Eh, di kailangan natin tong i-divide by this term, kung ano man yung kasama ng y prime. So, dividing our equation by x squared y e raised to xy plus x, makukuha natin yung derivative. Okay? So that's xy squared e raised to xy minus y over x squared y e raised to xy plus x. But actually, class, na we can still simplify. Okay? Dito sa numerator, itong dalawa, ang common term nila ay y. So pwede nating tanggalin yung y dito. Naka-y squared to. Ibig sabihin, meron pa rin may iwan na isang y. Pati yung negative sign, class, pwede nating i-factor out. Okay? Kasi common sa kanila yung negative sign. For our denominator class, no, we may factor out x. Tatanggalin natin yung x dito. X squared naman to. Meron pang may iwang isang multiple ng x. Okay? So, ganun yung gawin natin, no? Factor out negative y sa numerator, then x naman sa denominator. So, that's negative y, then may iwan plus xy e raised to xy kasi nga y squared to, meron pang isang y dito sa loob. Then sa numerator, positive 1 kasi pati yung negative sign nilabas natin. For the denominator, x naman yung finactor out. Okay? So meron pang isang x na maiiwan dito. That's xy e raised to xy. Then tanggal to ng buo. So 1 lang yung kanyang 1 lang yung maiiwan dito sa loob. Okay? Yun lang yung factor niya dito sa loob. So, your y prime or dy over dx class ay yung negative y over x lang. Kasi nga, pareho to class dito. So, pwede sila mag-cancel out. Sundan ba yung last example? Okay, question? Wala kayong question, class?
None, sir.
Okay.
None, sir.
Okay. Kung wala na yung question class, no, kindly open your camera so that I can capture our meeting for this evening.